Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Christmas tree like this in After Effects. In this tutorial I use Trapcode Particular plugin. It's very easy and let's get started. First I'll add new composition. I'll make it full HD, frame rate 30 and duration 10 seconds and let me name it render. Okay, then hit OK. Go to layer, new solid, and I'll name it particles. Go to effect, trapcode, and particular. And yeah, now we have a particles. Okay, now open emitter, set point to box, and continuous change it to classic form. And if you don't see classic form in your particles, go to licensing and just update your trap code. Okay, now change XYZ to individual. Go to emitter size, change it to 1920. Size Y, I'll change it to 10. And size Z, I'll change it to 9020 also. Okay, then I'll go to particles and I'll add 2 zeros just right now. Okay, just right now. Okay, this is very good. Now I'll go to layer, new camera, right click here and camera and create orbit null. Okay, open null, transform, go to X rotation and change it to -20 like this. Then go to camera, transform, position, change Z position to -8000. Okay, and go to null, position Y position to -600 like this. Okay. Okay, very good. Now I want to change this particle to a spiral shape. So let me go to composition, new composition, and I'll name it size. Okay. And I'll change height to 1920 also. Then hit OK. Like this. Again, I'll go to composition, new composition, and I'll name it twirl. Okay, and I'll change width to 300 and height I'll change it to 960. Then hit OK like this. Go to layer, new solid, and I'll change this color to white like this. Okay, now I'll go to size, project, and I'll add twirl on size like this. Go to align and I'll put it up. Okay, yeah, very good. Now let me look twiggle viewer here and double click, and also I look twiggle viewer here and I'll drag this composition like this. So now I can see size, okay, and also twiggle like this. Okay, now I am on twirl. Go to a rectangle tool and press Ctrl, double click to add a mask. Okay, I can't see the mask, I don't know why. This is our mask, and I'll open grid like this. Okay, so now I'll go to size and layer, new adjustment layer, and I'll go to effects and presets and I'll type twirl. Okay, double click or drag and drop, and let me change angle here to 6. Okay, like this, and also radius I'll change it to 45. Okay, now I'll go to twirl, and just I'll go to twirl point like this because I want to fix this into the middle, and also here this point I'll change it like this and see. Okay, very good. Now let me open this loop and close it. Yeah, so now let me go to render project, and I'll add size down. Okay, and I'll close it, go to particle effect, and I'll go to layer maps. Okay, size, set none here to size, and also off I'll change it to XZ. Okay, and see. This is our shape. Okay, okay, now I want to add animation on this on our tree. So let me go to size, and also I'll add a new adjustment layer, and I'll type fractal noise on on effects and presets, and double click or drag and drop. And let me add some changes here. Go to contrast, I'll change it to 300, and also transform scale, I'll change it to 50. Okay, then I'll go to evolution, I'll click, and I'll type times 300. Okay, and this is our animation. See. Okay, yeah, very good. Okay, now I want to animate this shape. Okay, so I'll go to twirl here, and also I'll add a new adjustment layer. Then I'll go to effects and presets, and I'll type linear whip. Double click or drag and drop. Whip angle, I'll change it to 0 degrees like this, and go to first frame and change 0 here to 100 keyframe, and I'll go here 3 seconds forward and 0 and see. Okay, okay, now I'll go to render. Okay, and play. Okay, if you see something like this, you can go to emitter here, size Y, change it to 11 or 9 or 10, whatever. Okay, and it will be fixed. Yeah, okay, okay. Now let me go to emitter, and I'll add another 0 in particles. Okay, okay. So now I want to make this point grow up here. Okay, so I'll add a new composition, and first let me go to maps. Okay, I'll add a new composition, and let me name it displacement. Okay, displacement, and I'll change width to 1920. Also height, I'll change it to 1920. Okay, then I'll go to layer, new solid, then I'll go to effect, generate, and gradient ramp. Set ramp, linear ramp to radial ramp, and I'll take this as a copy, and I'll go here, paste. Okay, and also I'll change this color like this. Okay, so now I'll go to render, project, displacement. I'll put it down, I'll close it, go to particles, and I'll go to this displacement, and I'll change RGB to individual. Map over of, I'll change it to XY. Then I'll go to layer of Y, and I'll change it to displacement. So now let me go to strength. Okay, and I'll increase it like this and see. Scroll up. So let me change this number to 2500 and see. This is our Christmas tree. So let me go to first frame and play. See. Again. Okay, if you see something like this, just go to emitter, and emitter size Y, change it again to 10, and it will be fixed. Okay, now let me change this color. Okay, so I'll go to particle, add star, change it to random from gradient, and I'll open color gradient presets, and I'll choose these colors. Okay, double click here, go to green color like this, dark one, and again let me remove this. Okay, and another green. Okay, go to effect to add a glow, stylize glow. Okay, and I'll change radius to 2, and also glow intensity, I'll change it to 0.5, and again I'll go to effect, stylize glow, and I'll change radius here to 30. Okay, and also I'll increase threshold to 80. Okay, like this. Very good. So now let me go to designer. Okay. And I'll go here, system, click here and duplicate system like this. Okay. System 2. Then apply. Okay. Now go to show system. Make sure that you are on system 2. Okay. And I'll go to emitter and Y rotation here, and I'll change it to 180. Okay, and see. Yeah, this is our Christmas tree. And see. Okay. So now let me add a background. So I'll go to layer, new solid as a background, then hit OK. I'll put it down, go to effect, generate, and gradient ramp. Set layer linear ramp to radial ramp, and put this point into the middle like this. Okay, and let me change this color. I'll choose green color, and also here. Okay, and I want to add also particles, so I'll go here, right. I'll add a solid as a particle background. Okay, then I'll go to effects and presets, and I'll type CC star burst. Okay, like this. Okay, so now let me change grade here to 1. Okay, and also scatter and speed. I'll increase it to maybe 0.05. Okay, then I'll go to effects and presets again, and I'll type fill, double click, and I'll choose green one. Okay, yes, and let me see this. Yeah, and also effects, stylize and glow, and see. Okay, this is our tutorial today, and also tomorrow I'll add a star here. Okay, and I'll animate this star with this tree or this Christmas tree. Okay, so if you like this tutorial, don't forget like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.